Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to change or actually ground an electrical plug. Okay? Basically, you've got your electrical plug here. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the wall. You're actually going to pull it out. The brass wires, the brass screws, are actually the hot side. The chrome screws are the neutral side. And you'll actually see a green screw here, which is for ground. The best way that I can always remember it is, GR is for ground and GR is for green. I think that's the reason why they have the green screw, so you don't get mixed up and put it in the wrong place. Okay? But it's as simple as just connecting the wires to the plug. This is what your wire will look like when it comes out of the wall after you've disconnected it from your old plug. Okay? This will just be hanging out the wall just like so. And, all you do is just hook it on there. Hook it on the green screw just like so. You'll see that there's a little tab right there to keep this wire from bending and touching anything else inside the box. So what you do is you put it just like so, you kind of bend it in place so it's actually sitting in there real tight. There's none of it hanging out. There's not a big old long piece of it sticking out here. It's in there real nice and tight. And you hold it in place. Take you a Phillips head screwdriver. Tighten it down. Make sure it stays down in there. You don't want it to slip up over the head of the screw and work its way loose. You want to make sure you're pulling on it and keeping it down in place while you're tightening it. Once you get it nice and tight, it's going to look just like so. After you got your ground and your hot and your neutral, you're ready to put the plug back in the wall and put your trim plate back on. And if you have any more questions concerning this topic, you can notify me at jnchomerepair.com.